form of PIL? What is the full form of PIL? You have to write PIL in invited comma. In invited comma, and lastly you put note of interrogation, it means question mark. What is the full form of PIL? PIL means public interest litigation. It is the abbreviation. Now next question is, write down the next question. Write down the next question. When was the first Lok Adalat set up? Lok Adalat, you have to write L in capital letter and Adalat A in capital letter. When was the first Lok Adalat set up? It is also given in your book. Only you have to write the date, 1980. Next question. How many cases, CASES, how many cases were solved, SOLVED, solved in first day? How many cases were solved in first day? It is related to Lok Adalat. Just now I told you that Lok Adalat was set up in 1985 and in one day it solved 150 cases. Very speedy justice given by Lok Adalat. So it is in favor of the people. So answer will be 150. Question is, how many cases were were solved in first day? Now I think it is over. Now next question. Next question, question number 5. Question number 4. The place where, WHERE, the place where the first Lok Adalat was held. You have to put a full stop here and then write a dash, put over a dash. The place where the first Lok Adalat was held, dash. In this blank you have to write Delhi. First Lok Adalat was held in Delhi. Answer will be Delhi. Now question number 5. Give an example of civil and criminal case. Give an example of civil and criminal case. You have to write only one answer. First of all, you will write civil case, then put a hyphen and example. Then next you write criminal case, put a hyphen and write the example. Any example you can write, only one example. Next question. Question number 6. Is tax evasion a crime? Is tax, TAX, T capital, evasion, EVASION, is tax evasion a crime? Question mark. You have to write yes or no. Tax evasion means tax ki chori. Yes, obviously tax evasion is a crime. So you have to only write yes. It is one word answer. Objective answer. Next question. Name the highest criminal court in a district. Name the highest criminal court in a district. It is session judge. Answer will be court of session judge. While I will teach you, then I will tell you that underline these sentences. You can find the answer in your book. Answer will be session judge. Next question. What is the salary of the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court? What is the salary of the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court? Answer will be 2.8 lakh per month. Name the highest civil court in a district. Question number 9. Name the highest civil court in a district. Answer is district court. Now question number 10. Name the highest revenue court in a district. Name the highest revenue, REVENUE, revenue court in a district. Answer is Board of Revenue. So these are the questions from the middle of the chapter number 20. You have to write it in your classwork homework copy and complete it.